Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of prostate gland for histology, practical and slide. There are 5 identification points of prostate gland. Number 1, fibromuscular true capsule. Number 2, prostatic acini is present. Number 3, corpora amylicis present. Number 4, fibromuscular stroma. And number 5, prostatic urethra. These are the 5 identification points of prostate gland for histology, practical and slide. I already upload the detailed slide explanation video of prostate gland on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. Now I will upload this identification points video also. On my YouTube channel you can find general histology, special histology, each slide detailed explanation video and each slide identification points for practical and slide. If you like my videos, press the like button and share these videos with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open the all notification for receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.